Christmas is around the corner. Are you ready financially? Are you ready for the gifts and the dinners and everything that goes with the holiday planning? If you are feeling the pressure of the holiday on you, this is going to be the right video for you. Imagine having more than enough money for gifts, for all those dinners, and to have a holiday that you've dreamt of. This can be possible. So stick around because in this video, I'm going to give you the exact step by step on how you can earn $10,000 by the holidays. My name is Lizelle, and I feel that pressure for you because that is where I was not too long ago. I remember wanting just to give my kids the best Christmas gifts, and I couldn't because I was stuck in my job because I had to work. I didn't think that there was any other way. I had to work to be able to earn more money. But then I found a 2-hour workday solution, and I get to teach other parents how to do the same, how to have more time, more money, and less work. By the end of this video, I'm going to give you that step by step. You're going to know exactly what you need to do to be able to make that extra 10K this Christmas. If you're ready to earn 10K this December, comment ready and I'll send you over my free guide on how you can do this step by step. So the problem with holiday stress is, it's not joyful for everyone. People are struggling financially. The cost of living is rising. Everything is getting so expensive. But I'm going to show you a very realistic way on how you can earn that extra cash in 2 hours a day. The sooner you start, the sooner you're going to see your results, and the longer you have so that you can earn that $10,000 by Christmas. There's such power in the online business space that we have. You've got something called automation. Now, automation means if you have an online business on automation, it means that your business never sleeps. You can actually make sales on autopilot. So this is going to blow your mind if you haven't heard this before. The best part is you're not going to have to sell to friends and family. You will actually learn how to attract your audience through social media, which is a free platform. Yes, so there's no monthly expenses with this business. Making 10K in December might sound like a lot, but if you break it down in smaller goals and you think about it like making $333 a day for the next 30 days, it sounds more possible. And with a proven program like mine that I'm going to show you, if you have a high ticket product to sell, you can make $900 a day. Imagine the holidays with no financial stress. You can buy those Christmas gifts, you can have those family dinners without having to stress about where's the next paycheck going to come from. This is all possible with a 2-hour proven workday system. If you want to learn this system in the meantime and get my free guide, put a yes below and I will send that to you. What I love about this system, it's learning and earning at the exact same time. It's not like starting a traditional business. When you have to start a traditional business, you need to spend a lot of money to get it started. With this, you have a once-off investment and you can actually earn while you are learning how this all works. Because you get the master resale rights, you can immediately be in profit mode with your first sale. When you have a high ticket product that you get 100% profit for, you can make even more. There are 4 different programs that you can get master resale rights to. $900 is one of them. Imagine having that you can sell on a daily basis. So instead of just making $333 a day, you can actually make $900 a day on autopilot because your system will keep on working while you get to enjoy your holidays. You're going to learn how to leverage social media. Social media is a free platform, so you can actually build a business without any monthly expenses. You're going to learn how to attract customers to you by posting valuable content out there. You can even create your content before so that during the holidays, you just need to click on post so that it can post your content for you. Many people stay stuck because they're too afraid to start. The best way that you are going to overcome that fear is by starting. And it's not just about the Christmas. It's not just about the holidays. It's about building financial freedom in the long term. So don't wait any longer. This year can end so much better for you and can set you up for a fantastic stress-free 2025. Grab the link below, get my free PDF guide, and let's get you started today.